button down, and then by the way, my foot is holding down the stuff. Don't try this at home. Sticks, got the wire basket, got some more sticks. We're gonna start off with the baby gate, and we're gonna wind up shaping the head and the body out of this for the spider. Got Natalie, my daughter, to help me. Got some zip ties over here that came from the Dollar Tree, and we're just gonna use this to zip tie the ends, and then we'll mold it. We got the head, and then we got the body, and we'll put the big legs on it and everything.
It's gonna be very big, I think.
Dollar Tree yarn, which yes was $5, but you could also get the other ones that are like $1.25 and get whatever color slash style, because they also have like velvet ones and all that. I was like, hold up, I could just like trash bag it and then like put the sticks in like the black yarn, so that way, because I'm still needing that yarn for the legs, so I was like, maybe we could just black trash bag it, and then I'd have to shape the neck a little bit more so you can actually see it better on that side, but it looks a little bit better on this side as the body and the head. Okay, so now she's painting the eyeballs, you see in the background, and then we're gonna put the eyeballs on here. We got the eyes on there. We put the fangs, she put the yarn around it, and then we just hot glued it in there. So here's a better view. Okay, now you can see what we're working with, except for I tried to do the yarn and I was doing it on list like you can see, but like I don't know, it just feels like that would be forever and trying to get over all the little spikes. So I did change my mind and got lazy, if you want to say, but it was like, you know what, this is more a little organic with the brown wood, and probably be able to see it better on the house. But anyways, this is what I was going for, creepy little spider with the little fangs and all that. So apparently I just brought this inside and it's got all the little spiders in it too. So great, got a real spider with the spider. So all these little spiders right there, there's real spiders. So as I was showing you the fake spider, and then there are little baby real spiders that came out of that web. Oh, those little creepy crawly baby spiders out of that web. As they're just taking over the actual real web, and then the fake webs, oh my god, just making its own little web. You see it all in its little glory. Are those black widows? Hello? Did I just... Oh my god. Please tell me that's not. I'm just freaking out, just to freak out. Oh my god. Alright. The what? Alright, so here's another look of it. And you can literally like see the real web up there.